Yeah, thank you all. Thanks for joining the session. Let's start the demo. Yeah, welcome to SAP S4HANA FICO demo. Okay. Yeah, these are the slides. I'm going to explain what is SAP, what is FICO, how many modules will be there. So, what is functional module, what is technical module. So, again, coming to FICO, how many submodules are there, and each module what we are going to cover, and the batch details. Everything we will discuss one by one. Okay. Yeah, first I will give the introduction about my institute. Okay. Yeah, our institute name is Tech Mentors IT Technologies. It is located in Amirpet, Hyderabad. Okay. Basically, this Tech Mentors is established by three SAP FICO real-time working consultants, and all are my friends. I am one of the guy. Okay. In Tech Mentors we are going to teach like not all the days, we don't teach simply here. If you see the training, like hybrid training we are giving. Like hybrid means 4 days classes we will give in a week. 5 days classes will be there, 4 days is classes, 1 day for purely for practice. Okay. Here this is the this is the address and phone number. You can contact if you have any doubts. So coming to demo contents, here this is the demo content I am going to explain here. First we will give the mentor or faculty introduction. So different parallel batches are running. So who is going to teach and what is his qualification. Okay, that thing. And what is the SAP and SAP overview, when it was started, so how many versions are there, what is the latest version. Okay, all these things we are going to discuss here. And coming to SAP module, in SAP if you see more than 60 modules are there. So what is each module we will discuss there. Okay, coming to the tab. And also, as I said, our course is the FICO. So what is FICO, what are the sub modules, each one we will discuss clearly in depth. Here in this batch we are going to teach three things. Okay, first we will give the SAP core training. Like we will open the SAP system and how to configure the company code, remaining things, asset accounting, GL, accounts payable, accounts receivable, and bank accounting. This is called the core training. Coming to SAP real time training, this real time training will be helpful to you to crack the interviews. Okay, this also we will give here. Okay. And also, once you completed the FICO training, after that what you have to do for job assistance, like what exactly resume and other opportunity, how to search, how to apply, all the things we will discuss. Okay, so let's go one by one. First, mentor introduction. So I am going to teach for August batch. Okay, I am going to teach SAP S4HANA FICO for August batch. And my name is Narsimha. I have total 10 plus years of experience in SAP FICO, and I am a SAP S4HANA FI certified consultant and also FSCM certified consultant. And my education qualification is MBA. Okay, this is what my experience. And I was so far I worked on like implementation, support, support, testing, developments, rollout. Like this I have worked on different projects. Okay, this is the my experience. And coming to my career, I worked in companies like L&T Infotech. There I worked 6 years, and after that I joined TCS. Right now I am working in TCS. Okay, this is what my professional experience, and I am going to teach for this FICO August batch. Okay. Yeah, coming to SAP. Okay, What is SAP and what is the history of this SAP? Okay, SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. This SAP was initially started in the year of 1972 by five former IBM employees. They have started this SAP and this SAP headquarters is in Germany. Okay, but SAP sub companies all are located around the world. Okay, if you see coming to India in Bangalore, SAP Labs is there. That is one of the subsidiary company of SAP. Okay, it is located in Bangalore. That is called SAP Labs company name. Okay, what is SAP? Okay, this SAP is an ERP package. Okay, what is ERP? SAP is an ERP package. What is ERP? Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay, this is the abbreviation of SAP ERP. Okay, if you see in market, there are different types of ERPs available. Not only SAP, different types of ERPs are there. SAP is the one of the ERP in those technologies. Okay, SAP SAP is one of the ERP, and Oracle, PeopleSoft, WAN, like this different types of ERPs available in the market. But SAP is the most demanded ERP in the world. Most demanded ERP in the world. Okay, why SAP is very demanded ERP is it integrate the all systems. For example, if you see any organization, finance department will be there. Okay, manufacturing department will be there, material department will be there, sales department will be there, HR department will be there. Like this different departments will be there. SAP what will do? SAP will integrate all these departments in one system. If you log into SAP, you can able to connect to all these departments. That is why it integrate the all systems in one system. That is the SAP ERP. Okay, that is why SAP is the most demanded ERP in the world, and it has the high success rate. Okay, so far these are the versions. SAP has released so many versions. Okay, in the starting SAP career starting, they have released R by 1 structure. After that they released the R by 2. After that they released R by 3. After that they released ECC. Still people are using ECC. After that they have released the HANA. Okay, ECC, HANA. Still some clients they are using ECC. Okay, some clients they are using ECC only. But latest SAP version is S4 HANA. Okay, this was released in 2015. Okay, some of the clients they have already migrated to S4 HANA, and now everyone, if you put any job or if you put the resume in online, everyone they will ask only HANA only. Okay, so right now this is the latest version of SAP S4 HANA. So in this FICO batch, we are going to discuss only SAP S4HANA only. Okay, in interviews also they will ask only S4HANA. Do you have the experience on S4HANA, like that? They will ask S4HANA only. Okay, so this is the latest version. Okay, SAP S4HANA. What is SAP S4HANA? SAP S4HANA is a business suite. Okay, which is developed by the SAP SC. Okay, SAP S4 is a business suite, and which is developed by the SAP SC. What is the abbreviation of SAP S4 HANA? Why this is the why simply we are calling S4 HANA S4 HANA? Okay, S4 means fourth generation suite. Fourth generation suite. HANA means HANA database. That is why this is calling as a, everybody they call as a SAP S4HANA. That is why we are calling the SAP S4HANA. S4 means fourth generation business suite. HANA means HANA database. Okay. Earlier ECC, before to this S4HANA, I told you, right, ECC version are there. SAP ECC version. This SAP ECC version, this was running, this may run on some other SAP ECC. They are using some third party databases like Oracle. Okay, their databases they are using. Okay, but coming to SAP S4HANA, this S4HANA will run on only on S4HANA database only. Okay, this is the major change in the SAP S4HANA. SAP S4HANA runs on only HANA database. SAP ECC, which can run on third-party tools Oracle, and this can run on ECC, HANA database also we can use. But S4HANA we can run only using the HANA database only. Okay. So far, if you see in SAP S4HANA also different versions are there. In SAP S4HANA also different versions are there. If you see here, so far SAP has released different versions in SAP S4HANA. Versions are like 1511, 1610, 1709, 1809, 1909, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023. What is the meaning of this? Simply, if you see here, some are year specific, some are, if you see here 1809, this version has released in 2018 year in the month of September. That they have mentioned 1809 like that. Okay, and the latest version is this one, 2023. Okay, this is the SAP history. When they have started SAP, what are the, so far what are the SAP versions? These are the R by 2, R by 3, ECC, S4HANA. Coming to S4HANA, what is the meaning of S4HANA, what is the database using by S4HANA, and what are the different versions in SAP S4HANA. Okay, this is the brief introduction about SAP and S4 SAP history. Okay, as I said, in SAP, more than 60 plus modules are there. Okay, so what are those? Okay, 60 we can't remember, but major of the things we will discuss here. Okay, in SAP, around 60 plus modules are there. Okay, Mod modules, in these modules can be classified into two categories. One is the technical module, second one is the functional module. In SAP, there are more than 60 plus modules are there. These modules we can differentiate like functional modules and technical module. Like this, we can divide these modules into functional, technical. What are the modules will come under functional? FICO means finance and controlling, material management, SD sales and distribution, PP production and planning, HR human resource. Okay, all these will some of the examples of functional modules. Okay, coming to technical module, here what modules will come under technical module? SAP ABAP, SAP basis. Okay, SAP PI project integration. Okay, these are the some of the examples of technical module. Okay, so in SAP 60 plus modules are there. We can divide those modules like functional, technical. What are those will come under functional module? FICO, SD, PP, and HR. These are the some of the examples of functional module. These are the some of the examples for technical module. So what is the functional module? Let's discuss. So what is the technical module? How we will use functional module? How we will use the technical module? For example, there is one company XYZ Limited. Okay, what here they will do in that, they are doing the vendor business processes. First they will book the invoice, they will check the payment terms with, they will do the payments to vendor based on some payment terms. Okay, payment terms means is nothing but I will pay the amount like 1 week, 1 month, 2 months. Okay, these are the payment terms. After that what people will do, they will do the vendor payment. Okay, after that how they will check the vendor balances. In normal business what we will do, we will create invoice, do the payment. Same this business process we have to bring into SAP. Okay, this process will be, we can bring into SAP through functional module only, and that to FICO module. Okay, what is the meaning of functional module? Through this functional module we can configure the business process in SAP. Okay, that is the use of functional module. But what is the use of technical module? For example, in vendor non-SAP system they have some reports. Okay, in that reports they have 10 fields. Okay, the same report they want to configure in SAP. Client want the same report in SAP, but in SAP standard SAP it is not possible. So if it is not possible, then we will go to technical people and we will prepare that report with the help of technical module above. We will develop one report and we will add those fields and we will configure that business requirement in SAP. That is the use of technical module. It will indirectly support to the business process, like it will do the needed help to the functional modules to achieve the business process. Okay, this is the main difference between functional module and technical module. Okay, see here, in order to replicate or enable the business process, SAP offers various defined, predefined standard functionality to help the departments in performing various business activities. The SAP models which provide predefined standard functionality. That means SAP has already given the standard functionality. Simply we can collect the business requirement and we can configure in SAP. Okay, with the help of this functional module, a functional consultant has to understand the business requirement and use the standard functionality provided by the SAP. Functional consultant will take the requirement from business and they will configure in SAP. This is possible through functional module. What is the use of technical module? As I said just now, these technical modules don't directly replicate actual business process activity but provide needed support or help to the functional modules. Here we have to develop one record. We have to develop one report. With the help of technical module, we have achieved that in SAP. So like this, technical modules will be helpful. Okay. So this is the modules overview. Okay. Yeah, coming to SAP FICO and FICO submodules. Okay, as I said, SAP FICO is an essential functional module of SAP ERP, comprised of two key components: SAP Financial Accounting and Controlling. So here I said so many modules, but our module is FICO. So let's discuss deeply the SAP FICO module. Okay. SAP FICO module. Why it is required? Okay. FI means financial accounting. CO means controlling. 1 minute, I am getting call. Yeah, CO means controlling. Okay. SAP FICO. FI stands for financial accounting and CO stands for controlling. Then what is the use of financial accounting FI? This FI will be used for the external reporting purpose. That means here we will generate the financial statements like balance sheet, cash flow statement, and funds flow statements, and we will submit to government authorities and stakeholders. Government or stakeholders. Okay. F FI stands for financial accounting, and this financial accounting will be used for the external reporting purpose. What are those external reports? Balance sheet or cash flow or funds flow. These financial statements we will prepare and we will submit to government as well as to the stakeholders for that company. Then what is the use of controlling? Controlling stands for sorry CO stands for controlling, and this will be used for the internal reporting purpose for management. Internal reporting purpose to the management. What are the reports, what they will do internal management by using this controlling module? They will they will allocate the budget, and they will monitor the cost. All these things they will check and they will take the actions. For that purpose only controlling module will be used. Okay. Controlling will be used for the internal reporting purpose to the management. What management will do by using the controlling reports, like they will do the budget planning and what is the cost occurring for particular department. So all these things they will take the decisions. Okay. Yeah, coming to submodules. Okay. SAP FI submodule. If you see the FI, there are some submodules are there. General ledger, accounts receivable, accounts payable, asset accounting, and bank accounting. Okay, these are the FI submodules. Okay, what are the FI submodules? General ledger called as GL, accounts payable, accounts
Hello,
payable.
Narasimha.
Yeah,
Yeah, your screen is not clear. Your
yeah. Coming to FI, what are the submodules under FI? Okay, general ledger. This will be showed as GL, accounts payable, AP, accounts receivable, AR, bank accounting, BL, asset accounting, AA. These are the submodules in FI. So in this course, we are going to discuss general ledger, accounts payable, accounts receivable, bank accounting, and asset accounting. We will discuss all these modules. Yeah, coming to CO submodules. What are the CO submodules? Cost element accounting, cost center accounting, internal orders, profit center accounting, product costing, and COPA, profitability analysis. Profitability analysis. So these are the submodules of CO. cost element accounting, cost center, internal orders, profit center accounting, product costing, profitability analysis. Here we are going to discuss only first four modules only, first four sub modules coming to CO. Okay, if you learn product costing and profitability analysis, then you will be the CO consultant, not FICO consultant. Okay, so as a FICO consultant, CO also we should know some of the things, so some up to level. So those, these are the those modules. Okay, so I am going to cover in this batch, we are going to cover these four modules in CO. These are the all sub modules FI and CO. In FI, all these modules will be covered. Coming to CO, first four will be covered in this course. Okay, sorry. Yeah, as I said here, I mentioned.
Well,
Yeah,
hello.
yeah.
Yeah. Hey, in controlling is all six modules not covered in this course.
No, not here. Everywhere they don't tell the this product costing and profitability. They don't tell.
Profitability analysis and third cost.
Yeah, yeah. If
First
you
four,
see, yes,
you
some
can.
people they will tell, but in our course, I am actually I did not work on these two modules. Majorly CO
Okay.
consultants, pure CO consultant. That time, if they know people who knows product costing and profitability analysis, then we will call those people as a CO consultant, not FICO consultant. Okay, those
Only
CO
CO.
consult, yeah, yeah,
Yes, yes.
pure controlling consultant or CO consultant. Those people only they know
Okay.
all full module details. FICO they know all FI things, and CO up to this level they will know. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, again, as I said, submodules like GL, APR, what we are going to discuss in each module wise also, submodule wise also. For example, if you take FICO basic settings, what is the enterprise structure, what are chart of accounts, fiscal year, posting periods. So these are the some of the main settings. I have mentioned some of the points only. So these things we are going to cover in general ledger, simple sample document, parked whole document, recurring documents, what are the month end activities, how to do the reversals, what are the interest calculations, how to do the foreign currency, how to do the cross company code postings. All these will come under general ledger. Coming to accounts payable, we create the business partner groups, what are the number ranges, assignments, how we will create the business partner, how we will extend to the as a vendor, what are the vendor masters, what are the invoices, payments, what are the house bank, what is the payment terms. All these things we will configure here in app pay, accounts payable. Here we do the app configuration also. Coming to accounts receivable, same, like we will create the business partners, number ranges, remaining things. Okay, coming to bank accounting, here I will teach the house bank, manual BRS, electronic, automatic, electronic BRS. All these things we will discuss in bank accounting. Coming to tax, here we are going to discuss the tax on sales and withholding tax. Both things will be covered in this course. And asset accounting, these are the some main things: chart of depreciation, asset classes, remaining things, integration of FI asset accounting, how to run the depreciations, how to scrap the assets, how to do the capital work in progress. These are the main things. Okay, all will be covered, but here I mentioned some of the important points. Okay, yeah. Coming to controlling, here I mentioned what is controlling area, what are the versions, integration of CO with FI, cost center configuration, internal order, and profit center configuration. Okay, these are the, this is the FICO module. Here I mentioned sub modules. In sub modules, what are the things we are going to cover, here I have mentioned clearly. Okay, yeah. Coming to it's like job assistance. For example, you have completed the FICO course. After that you don't know what to do. Okay, so what you have to do once you complete the course, as I said, here I am going to teach the SAP core course. This means simply we will open the SAP and configure company codes, like GL, APA, or asset accounting, bank accounting. Okay, but coming to SAP real time course, If you don't attend this course SAP real time, you can't crack the interview. You can't crack the interview. Okay. Here I missed or what? SAP real time. Yeah, sorry. This slide I missed. Okay. This SAP real time course will be helpful you to crack the FICO interview. Otherwise, you can't crack. Why? Why you can't crack? Okay. Coming to this slide, see here in SAP real time, for example, in your resume you are definitely you are going to mention like I worked on one implementation, like otherwise I worked to support projects, like that you will mention. So they will ask, okay, you worked on one implementation, so what are your roles, what you have done exactly, like that many cross questions will happen, they will ask you. So here in this course I mentioned here, what is the SAP system landscape structure, what TRs, what are the TRs transport request, how many types of projects will be there, what is the implementation process, okay, what is the methodology, what are your roles, what you have done exactly in implementation. For example, you mentioned support, like what is the support project process, what is the tool you are using, how the tickets will come to you, how many types of tickets are there, what is the priority, how you will resolve all these things, like I will we will discuss each topic wise. Okay. How you will what are the testing tools in SAP, what are the tools you worked in your career, what is the master data transactional data bulk, how you will upload into SAP system, what is the IDOC, what is the table names. Okay, like this we will discuss all these things. Once you complete this real time course, then only you can crack the interview. This is the use of this real time cracking course. Okay. So here once you,
Lakshmana,
yeah.
this 5 and FISD integration is the main part, right? Is it an additional one?
Yeah, this is main part only.
That's what
Yeah, yeah, this is the main
this
part.
is main part, right?
Yeah, main part. Main part. But here, normally I will teach in this course only. Why? Because simply in interviews they will ask you, have you worked on integrations, like that they will ask. So that's why I brought this topic here. Okay,
But
FIM.
it's a major subject, right? I think it's taken a 1 week or 2 weeks time.
Yeah, for each, not that that much it will take. It will take 2 3 days only. 3 hours, like that it will take. Okay, for each one. Remaining topics, for example, if you take system landscape, it will take 15 minutes only. If you take transport request, 20 minutes, like that depends on topic, it will take the time. For example, FIMM integration, it
And
will take three
in
hours
transport request management, you can track the transport request also. You can give a complete picture of the transport request, right?
Yeah, yeah, how many types of
You
transport.
can track
Yeah, I will
transport
import.
request, how
Yeah,
to track the transport request. Okay,
yeah,
okay.
yeah, everything I will show
Okay.
here. How many types of transport request will be there, how to copy the changes from one client to another client, functionals, which type of TR they will use,
Okay.
technical people which type of TR they will use, what are the different kinds of status for each transport, all the things will be covered here. Okay. Yeah.
And then this thing in tables you're not mentioned in this thing.
Yeah, here I mentioned SAP important table list.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, see,
You can explain all
yeah,
type of
what
tables
is
in
required, only here we will mention what is required to crack the interview. Those things only will be covered here. If I forgot to mention, for example, DME, here I have not mentioned. In some interviews they will ask, they may not ask. So some, if I miss any one or two topics, whenever if you face any
actually not only interview, right? If you go in a project also is important every topic.
Yeah, yeah. See here, if you go to any SAP institute, for example, in FICO,
Okay.
100 configurations is there. Just assume 100 configurations will be there. In every institute, they will teach 60 to 75 only. Once you started working in live environment, then you will come to know the remaining 75 to 100 configurations. You have to yourself, you have to learn and you have
I,
to
I,
apply. Yeah.
I, I know this is only 25 to 30% only. But
yeah,
if you knowledge on 25 to 30%, you can in
y-
real time you can improve your balance 30 40 percentage.
yeah, yeah, correct.
Everyone is
Yeah,
don't know the 100% in SAP. I think
yeah, yeah, correct.
if you training person also it's in 18% or 80 to 90% on it. Not in 100% in every module. It's a
Yeah, yeah,
lot of
correct.
subjectives
Yeah,
there
yeah.
in SAP.
Some consultants, as I said, they might work on they in their career they might work on only that 70 configurations only. So they don't know remaining also. So
Even
whenever, yeah,
that's and even FICO it's 100%. No one is
yeah,
got a
correct.
knowledge in 100%.
Yeah, yeah.
Even in an
Basic,
80, it's enough for in a job profile. 80 is a good
yeah, yeah,
enough. An excellent candidate is for in the job profile.
yeah, correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, once we complete the course, so if anyone they want to start the like for preparing interviews, and we will help to those people, like we will prepare the resume and how to apply. If you are planning for any certification, then we will give the guidance how to prepare like that. Okay, how to apply remaining. For example, if you are attending interviews and you are not cracking the interviews, then we will take the mock interviews preparation also. We will train you how to give the interviews. Okay, all these things we will help. So like this is our batch details. Okay, the here I mentioned the batch details. Our new batch will start on August 1st onward. In the morning it will start 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Duration 2 months. Okay, duration 2 months, and real time will be teach it separately for all the batches. Okay, offline and online you can attend, and here we are going to give the SAP S4HANA access for 6 months. Okay, free access we will give for 6 months to do the practice. Okay, and fee is the 20,000. So this is the course details. And okay, so if you have
And
any
Rasma, I have
yeah,
a doubt.
yeah, please.
In